Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to save photos and videos taken in the Journal app directly to your iPhone's Photos app. This is a simple process, but it might be helpful for those who are new to the Journal app or just want to streamline their workflow. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can usually find it on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section. Tap on it. From the list of apps, locate Journal and tap on it. This will take you to the Journal app's Settings menu. Scroll down the Journal Settings menu until you find the General section. In this section, you'll see the option Save to Photos. To enable this feature, simply tap to turn the Save to Photos switch on. It should turn green. Once you've enabled this setting, your iPhone will automatically save any photos or videos you take in the Journal app to your Photos library. That's it. You've successfully enabled the Save to Photos feature in the Journal app. Now, whenever you capture a moment in Journal, it will be automatically saved to your Photos app for easy access and sharing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.